after Bond Connect and now that Sins of the Father is done, are you taking a break first or meron na
No,
gagawin?
no, agad-agad. This week, meron tayong mga bagong pitching and presentation for new projects for 2026. And meron pa tayong buy bust, meron pa tayong partnership with Reality on other projects. So, moving forward, especially sa 2026, is going to be a very busy year professionally, and for sa personal life, is going to be a year of growth and yeah.
So may time ka sa love life for 2026?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I think ang main focus right now is building sa professional career ko and building sa personal life. Trying to be just to absorb muna. And kapag naghahanap ka ng love life, hindi darating yan. Darating lang yan, MJ. Unexpectedly. So right now I'm just focused on work. Honestly, nakikita niyo naman it's iba yung drive ko ngayon.